Hello, ito ang mahiwaga. Ito ang magpapagaling sa inyo. Basta gawin nyo lang to.
Say moo moo moo.
Pag may lumapit na lalaki sa'yo, ganito dapat. Hi. So, hi naman. Pati, pag kukuha ka ng tissue, dapat maganda ka pa rin. Like me.
Paano kapag nagpunas ka ng tissue? Ay, sige na.
Happy Father's Day, Tatay! Love you! Happy birthday, Chloe! I hope to see you soon. I love you. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit lumungo sa'y mga ako hanggang dito lang tayo, hindi bababayaan.
Sino hindi pa naliligo? Kayo. Sino pa naliligo? Si Ninyo. I'm so happy! Boom tarat tarat tararat tararat boom boom boom.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Te, apo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Te. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Apo.
Ate Ite, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka lalo yan. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate Ite.
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. May birthday mo pang ko.
Hi Ate Te, happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Ite. Happy birthday.
Hi Te, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Redley. Pagkabait ka lagi dyan. At lagi mong tatandaan. Magbigay ka ng kasihan sa iyong mga magulang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Redley. Sana lagi kang pagpalain ng Panginoong Diyos at sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Matupad mo lahat ng mga hangarin mo at mabigyan ka ng magandang kinabukasan.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Redley. God bless you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ite!
Hello, te. Happy birthday. Ingat.
Hi, Ate Ite. Happy birthday. Hi, Ate Ite. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ite! Happy birthday! More birthday to come!
Happy birthday, Ate Te. More birthday to come. Yun.
Hi, Ite! Happy birthday! Sana mababa ang iyong magkuhan pa ng mahabang buhay. Maraming birthday. At sana palagi malakas ang iyong katawan. Happy birthday na lang. Alam ko, magka-birthday kayo ng anak ko, June. Kaya happy birthday na sa iyo. Basang, sana bawal magkasakit. Ilayo ka sa malahat ng dumating na problema o kaya masiglang makuha ng iyong katawan. Sana pagka nandito ka, magbabalik bayan ka, magkita tayong ulit. Kung buhay pa ako, happy birthday ulit, Basang. Ingat palagi dyan.
Hi, Ate Ite. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Ridley. Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan palagi at pagpatuloy mo ang iyong kabaitan at pagkamasunurin sa iyong mga magulang at higit sa lahat patuloy na tumutupad ka sa iyong tungkulin. Happy 18th birthday, Ridley!
Happy 18th birthday, Ite. May your birthday be filled with all the happiness you deserve. Ayos yan.
Happy birthday, Ate. Stay good and beautiful.
Hello po, magandang araw po kapatid na Redly. Binabati ko po kayo ng maligayang kaarawan. Naway lahat ng panalangin at karaingan ninyo sa ating Panginoong Diyos ay matupad. Muli po, maligayang kaarawan insan.
Hello! Happy birthday, Ridley!
Happy birthday, Ate Ridley.
Hi, Redly. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless you.
Ate Redly, happy birthday. I miss you.
Hi, Redley. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ite.
Happy birthday, Ate Redley. I love you.
Hi, Red. Happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day and more birthday to come. Miss you. Balik ka na dito sa Pinas.
Hi, Ite. Happy 18th birthday. Naalala ko noon, 7 years old ka nung last na minikapan kita. Pero tingnan mo na, ngayon napakabilis ng panahon. 18 ka na at ganap ka ng dalaga. Once again, happy birthday and God bless you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Red! Happy birthday! May you have many more birthdays to come at sana wag mong bigyan ng sakit ng ulo sila tita at ipagpatuloy mo lang kung ano ang iyong naumpisahan at sana matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Yun lang. Happy birthday uli.
Hi Redly! First of all, I want to greet you happy birthday and welcome to legal age. And I'm proud of you sa mga na-achieve mo. And alam ko mas marami kang na-achieve sa akin. And I'm proud of you. I just want to say na hindi ko man to nasabi noon bago ako umalis. But I just wanted to say that I love you and ikaw pa rin yung Ite na ading ko mula noon at hindi yun magbabago. Yan, bye.
Hello! Happy 18th birthday Redly! God bless you always. Alam kong masayang-masaya ka ngayon. At siguro sa suot mong gown, lalo kang gumanda. At maalala ko yung Redly noon na Kalit mo pa lang nun, pero mabait ka. At hanggang ngayon, mabait ka pa rin. Lagi kang mag-iingat at mag-aral kang mabuti. Happy birthday, darling. God bless you always.
Hi, Redly! Happy birthday!
Birthday. Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka ng Panginoong Diyos ng malusog na pangangatawan. At naway matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Take note 18 ka na. Pwede ka nang magpaligaw at pwede ka na rin ligawan. Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Redly! Enjoy your day! Hope to see you soon. Love you!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie Red. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! One duck for Donald Duck. Quack, quack, quackers! Yay! We love you. Hi, Auntie Red. Happy birthday! What you say to Auntie Red?
I'm so busy in the house.
Yeah, sorry we cannot make it to your party because it's a lot like busy at school. The kids are busy at school. Gavin, Chloe, and Maisie so busy, and we cannot take a time off.
And sorry.
We are very sorry, but hope your party is amazing. And what else you want to say to Ate Red?
I'm so busy and my watching TV.
You're so busy watching TV.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's what Maisie doing. She's so busy watching TV. Can you sing a song for Ate Red?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tattoo Red. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, well done. That's for you, Ate Red. Only for you. Say, I love you.
Love you.
Have an amazing time.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Redly, ako, nag-aed mo tayo gadal, at maragpa mo, tayo pa mo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Steve. Kasi atin dagis ko lang sa maalam mo di pangarap mo.
Happy birthday, Redly. Maligayang debut. Sana maging isang inspirasyon ka sa lahat ng kabataan.
Happy birthday, Apo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ridley. God bless you.
Happy birthday, anak. Pakamusta ka kata? Nanay Mama Biasa.
Happy birthday, Apo. Dali yung mambasa at makaaya kay engineer. Kaya may lakam. Hindi kami, hindi adal kami. Magsimpot siya hinak. Ingat lang.
Happy 18th birthday, Redly. Sapay kumakin ako Diyos ta nakaradkad ka nga kan kanayon. Tapno napintas ka nga kan kanayon. Igaed mo ti agadal. Tapno maragpat mo dagiti ar-arapaap mo iti biyag.